Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. And before we get into this review on this little microphone kit, please consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you any money whatsoever and it's not painful. All you have to do is click on that word that says subscribe and click on the little bell and you will get notified for when my videos go live, and it will help my channel to grow. It will help me to make more and more videos like this little baby here. So if you like this sort of content, help me out. Help me out by subscribing. So with that, let's get on with it. So this costs around about £15–16 to buy, and I will stick a link in the video description for you to go and check it out. And it's a microphone. It's a wired microphone. It's not like this one I'm recording on now. This is a wireless microphone and this is a wired one, and we will be testing that. What we're going to do in this little video is we're going to have a quick look around the box. There's not much to see around the box. You know, it's got a nice bit of packaging. Then we're going to see what exactly you get for your money. So obviously we're going to do the unboxing, and then we're going to give it a test. So this will be a good test because you can see the difference or hear the difference between this one that I'm wearing, the wireless one, and the cable one, because we're going to use the same recorder for both of them. I'm just going to plug this straight into my recorder that this one's already plugged into wirelessly, and you can hear the difference. This is only about £15 to buy, and as always I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. So with that, come here and we'll have a look at the box and do the unboxing. Right, let's have a quick look around the box then. So it's sold by a company called Nicama, or Nicama, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. It's a Lavalier microphone and it says micro cravat. That is a French word because I had to Google it and I thought, well, what's that mean then? Basically it means it's a clip-on mic. That's what that means. So this model number is LVM1, superb sound for presentations and video recordings. And like I said, we will be testing it. So these are the features and the specifications. I'm not going to go through all of that. I will just pause it for a couple of seconds, or if you pause it now, I will zoom it in for you so you can have a good read if you want to. Right, get on with it. So this will be ideal for someone who's just starting out perhaps and wants to get into video recording. This could be perfect. Like I said, it's not expensive, it's quite cheap. What do we have here? So this would be like a thank you card and offering you a free product. Obviously they want you to do some sort of review or something. I'm not going to bother reading that out. So instructions. I should know how to do this without reading the instructions because I've done a few like this before. What's this? So it shows you how to take it apart. It comes with a spare battery, by the way. They're like them little watch batteries, but not that size. I think the watch batteries are 32s or something. So it comes in a nice little bag with its name on it. That's quite nice. Does it smell? No, no smell. And this will work on a mobile phone, whether it be an Apple, an Android, or the Windows operating system, or camera. Hopefully it'll work on a camera. It should work on a computer as well, providing you've got a 3.5mm jack connection. That's it. So we have in here, we have a fluffy or a wind thingy jiggy wiggy. If I can get the thing out. Come on, I want to get out because I want to put it on. So this is to reduce wind noise, and we also have a clip as well for the mic to go on your body somewhere. So a windbreaker, if you like. Your spare battery, that is a spare one. It does say it comes with a spare battery. That's quite a chunky one as well. 1.55 volts. Your little clip for your putting it on your body. Tie clip. It's quite stiff actually. We want as that way around with the mic sticking up. That's how I like mine anyway. Comes with a very long lead. Looking at that, it's got to be about 3 to 5 meters. I would have thought. I will stick the actual size in, or either what it says online because I haven't actually looked properly, or I will actually measure it up just so you've got an idea of roughly how long it is. I would have thought, looking at that, it's probably about 5 meters in total. It comes with a 3.5mm jack that is gold plated, and it has 3 rings, and it needs 3 rings to work on a mobile phone. 2 rings it will not work on a mobile phone, but 3 it will. So it needs that. This is a controller, so you will need in the off position for your mobile phone. If you're going to use a smartphone, you've got to add that in the off position, which is down, and on position for if you're using a camera, like so. And where's the battery? The battery should be in here somewhere. There it is, there's the battery. So if you need to change it, you know where it is. So that's bit, and there's a cable from there as well, so that will go on like your belt or something like that, and then you'll have a cable running up your inside of your shirt or jumper. I've got a jumper on at the moment, and that will sit, you know, top of your jumper or your shirt. So where's my little bit gone? Oh, there it is. So I'm going to clip this on, like so. That looks like that might come off actually. Did it come off? Oh, no. Okay, that don't come off. Thought it might do, but it doesn't. And then I would have something like that on it, just to cut down any vibrations, if you like. If I can find it. Oh, that is. Yeah, I like it with the little hat on. Yeah, so that will help in windy conditions. I like to use them anyway. It's a nice little filter. So what we're going to do now is, obviously I need to measure up the cable length, or find out what the cable length is, so you know. I need that on camera, and that's on camera now. And don't forget to turn it off when you're not using it, so that'd be in a down position. And it's quite stiff sometimes. Yeah, that's about. It just needs breaking in, I think. But yeah, we'll get there. So yeah, first impressions. It is a budget one. I wasn't expecting it to be fantastic, but yeah, I think it would be all right. It really depends on the quality of sound. So like I said, we are going to test it now. Have a listen to our sound right now, and yeah, we're going to give it a test. Right, let's get a couple of things out of the way, and one of them is I've got it on the outside because, you know, we are doing a review on it, so you need to see it. Normally you tuck it under your jumper or your shirt, and that would clip on a belt or go in your pocket or somewhere like that, or you go outside anyway. And yeah, good length on the cabling, plenty of length. It goes from this end right to the other side of this room, which is about 12 foot long, so it should be more than enough for any normal circumstances. I had to turn the volume up on the recorder so that the recorder could hear it properly. It comes up a little bit on the quiet side, but that is the same on any microphone. You will have to make minor adjustments, whatever you need to do. My other microphone, being the more expensive one, was set on about 3.5. This is on about 7. So something to bear in mind, you will have to do some sort of adjustment for your recording device, or you might be able to do it in editing, and you can turn the volume up in there. I've got loads of editing software where I can turn it up, but I wanted to try and keep it as close to possible as to the other microphone without doing any editing. So let me know what you think about the sound. I haven't actually listened to it myself yet. I will have a listen to it, and then I will come back and tell you what I think about it. So hopefully the sound quality is very good. Don't forget, again, this is only a budget microphone. It's only £15–16. It's not expensive. Don't expect it to be high-end quality on sound. It does say that the sound quality is extremely good, but like I said, I haven't listened to it myself yet, so we're going to have a listen to it right now. Right, I've had a listen to the sound quality, and yeah, I thought it was nice and clear, and that is the main point. My tone of voice is slightly different, but then I was expecting that. It's going to be different no matter what microphone you buy. It's going to have a slightly different tone, maybe a bass or treble, or just sound totally different. But the quality of sound I thought was very good. Considering how much money you're spending, it is pretty good. You get a nice long lead as well, which I'm very pleased with. Again, I'll put it on the outside. Like I said, I've had a good listen, and I thought it was pretty good. Let me know in the comments what you think, whether you think the sound quality was good, bad, or just different. I liked it anyway. I thought, yeah, for that amount of money, it is very good. Not only that, you can plug it into your phone. So if you've got a smartphone with a jack plug connection, you can plug it into there, switch over, and away you go. Definitely gets my thumbs up. For the amount of money you're paying, it is well worth it, in my opinion. So with that, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I still don't know how to say your name though. Is it Nicama? Something like that, isn't it?